Hi!
I am Saprianto.
And I'm Dewi Pasal Akbar.
We want to present our dialogue.
Let's check it out.
Check it out. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine. What about you?
As you see, I'm fine too.
Uh-huh.
You said that you want to choose the best one. Which one?
Do you want to know?
Of course.
Okay. Let me tell you next time.
Please tell me now.
Okay, but never tell the other people.
No, I must keep it. Well, do you mean the person?
No, it's no person.
Is it that thing?
Yes, that's right.
Which one?
The thing is beautiful.
What color is it?
It is blue.
Where is it?
It is in Dina's bag.
But she's not here now.
She's in the canteen now.
Will you meet her over there?
Let's go to the canteen now.
Come on!
Come on.
Yeah.